Hi, Dr. Jay Sordian here, wanting to review a little bit with you the bonuses that I am giving you as an affiliate who signed up under me in Groovefunnels. You signed up, either you have the free version, which has a couple very valuable aspects of the platform, which also enable you to get affiliate fees and passive income when other people sign up under you and actually pay for the product and not just get the free version. And also, perhaps you are doing the paid version of Groovefunnels, like I am, and so you would get a higher percentage of any affiliate fees that you would earn. But let me explain here exactly what the bonuses are that I promised you. This is a 5 to 6,000 plus bonus that is given to me by the person who I signed up under, Joel Bauer. He is one of my mentors and a marketing mentor. And it will look like this. So when you go and you click on the link, I will give you a link specific to you. You cannot share it with anyone else. If someone else signs up underneath you as an affiliate, then you may share it with them. However, they can't use Joel's proprietary information. They can copy, they can use it, and they can mimic what he's doing, but they cannot use his actual figures, facts and figures and things like that, because he has not permitted that. It's under a licensing agreement that I can use and those who are affiliated underneath me can use. But providing a bonus to individuals is a very important thing in online marketing to help motivate people to take action. So here you see the screen. It says assets and training promise. This you will have on your own screen very soon when you click on the link. This is the first thing you will see. As you scroll down, you will see it says Simplified Quick Start Plus. This is a video which explains in 45 minutes how to get started quickly. It will show you, okay, so there's this video here. There's this button underneath it, the $5,000 value asset system. Download now. You want to download those. You're going to download here. You will download all the products. And so essentially, I clicked on it to show you how it works. You're going to click on it. It will have a download screen ultimately. And then you download those files to your download file. And then you are going to put those in a separate directory. I suggest that you call it Groovefunnels. And then you will open those up. And as you open those 5 subdirectories up, you'll be finding the elements that are described in the video on top of it. So essentially, you're going to get these different elements. You need to download them. And I'm going to go back to where it is the previous screen, where it has a picture of Joel. And at the very top, once again, this is where you clicked. This, as you see, when I bring this up, you can see 45, essentially 45 minutes long. So Joel, this is Simplified Quick Start Plus. Joel walks through step by step what you need to do in order to get the benefit out of all of the files you downloaded. And in the file you downloaded, there will also, I believe, be the same video at the top so you can re-watch it. But anyway, so you're going to watch this video and do as he suggests to get started quickly. He provides a quick start sheet, which is in the downloaded files. And on that quick start sheet, which he shows in this video, he shows specifically step by step where you go to fill in the different parts of that form. You are going to use that information when you actually put the Groovefunnels marketing pieces that he designed onto your Groovefunnels Groove pages, where you just transfer them over, and there are various places where you put in affiliate code instead of his. So there's a sheet that he provides here that tells you exactly where to find each of those different items on that quick start sheet, what to fill in, and then you'll be ready when you actually go and start creating the promo page and substituting your personal information, your affiliate numbers, your affiliate pages in there instead of his. Then there's a second video here, which also I believe is within what you download. And the second video is an explanation of how to use StreamYard. And StreamYard is something that you use in combination to broadcast, actually to do a broadcast promotion of Groovefunnels. And Joel provides you with a whole PowerPoint presentation that you can use online to broadcast and share with others why they might want to consider doing Groove pages, both in the free version or in the upgraded paid version, which again, right now for a limited time, you can do one fee. Once that's paid off, either paid up front, paid over 3 months, paid over 6 months, or paid over 12 months. Once that term is completed and you're paid up to date, you will have no more fees. No, the Pro Platinum is $300 a month when the one-time payment offer is removed. It will go to $300 a month. So within a year, you will have already saved money, and then it's free from then on. The free version, of course, is free forever, and you still get to collect some affiliate commissions from others. Anyway, this second one here, this second video here, which I think is a bit longer, it is an hour and 30 minutes. It actually goes through how to do the PowerPoint presentation using all the elements that Joel Bauer provides you, all the PowerPoint elements to do a promo on Groovefunnels. And as he and other people say, actually broadcasting live is a way to enhance the connection with other people. And if you're going to be using this as your online platform in the future anyway, it's good to practice having online class, online courses, online presentations, online sales to other people. So this is a good practice for that while you're promoting Groovefunnels. And if you have paid individuals, in the future, it will be a monthly fee that will be paid instead of the one-time fee. And so when you have people sign up for that, for every month that they pay, you will get a percentage based on whether you are at the free level or at the pro level. I hope that is helpful for you as an overview of the bonuses. Go ahead and you'll be clicking on the link that actually shows all of this information, all these pictures, and realize also that Joel Bauer is providing this as a bonus to you. I'm providing it as a bonus to you. The reason why I get it as a bonus is because I actually work with Joel Bauer. He's one of my teachers. I paid for his products. I paid for his training. And so this is something I am gifting to you as well. So I hope you enjoy the gift. I hope you put it into practice. And I hope this makes for a hugely profitable passive income stream through Groove pages for you. Thanks so much. And just remember, this passive income source can be passed on to others you know when they take over your account. Thank you.